Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a used bookstore and you're looking for an affordable, professional website, you certainly are in the right space today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that. If you aren't familiar with the platform yet, we built Mighty Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, used bookstore. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our used bookstore so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change this to retail. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use. I'm sure you've got some amazing images of maybe some rare collectibles that you have in your store. Maybe you want to showcase them on your website, make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web professional of any kind. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this process either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let me show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in my email address. I want to make sure that email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Great. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, once that is in and your website is live, your customers can click on that address and it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. And update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's go ahead and update that logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, go ahead and click on that little pencil over the logo. Otherwise, click on save and you can make the logo bigger and smaller here on the right under customize logo. Awesome. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to go ahead and change them to go a little bit better with your marketing and your branding, go ahead and click on that little paint bucket. Go through the various color palettes available. There are many to choose from. Awesome. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use, as you can see. Under Update Content, you can make the content suit your business a little bit better. You can change it if you want to. Button, you can change the text on it, and they can link to various places. You can link to another website, you can link to an action like click to core directions. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is a great option. So upload maybe a brochure or catalog, maybe a little bit more details about your business. Look at that, looks absolutely fantastic. Here in the last section is where you can put in your trading hours for your business, for your customers' convenience. Pop them in all over here. They will be displayed in this section over here so your customers know exactly when your business is open. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain at the bottom. click on this button over here and connect it. If you don't have a domain yet, go ahead and purchase your domain by clicking on I want a new domain to make your website look even more professional. Hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your used bookstore. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.